located? Quezon City sa may Commonwealth? SM North. Okay, so I would put more or less, kasi from Quezon City, more or less, SM North up to here is about 20 to 25 kilometers. So parang ganun kahaba ang river. Okay, this is the Jones Bridge. Okay? It connects on the left side Chinatown and Escolta. Now, why Escolta? There was no Makati yet before, walang Ayala Avenue. Escolta was the area, kaya nandyan lahat ng malalaking negosyo and the expensive shops. That was way before. Okay. On the right side, what is that big building?
Malacanang.
That's not the Malacanang. Basahin nyo, what is written on the building? Okay, post office. Bakit kaya nilagay ang post office sa tabi ng ilog? Para itapon nila at sulat. Okay, mamaya malaman nyo ang sagot. Okay. Sino naman ang nagsabi ng I shall return? Okay, so may tulay na naman tayong dadaanan. This is the MacArthur Bridge, also known as Santa Cruz Bridge, kasi nasa Santa Cruz area tayo. So Santa Cruz is on the left, Plaza Loton, Taft Avenue is on the right. Okay, what color is the water?
Green.
Araw-araw nagbabago ang kulay ng tubig, depende sa weather. Depende sa tubig na binababa ng Laguna today. So it may be green, brown, gray, black. So, okay. Marumi ba ang tubig sa ilog?
Yes. No.
Yes, it is. The cleanest water is, I would put it at class A, drinking water natin. Ang river ilagay ko sa class E. So, hindi man dapat paliguan. Ganun kadumi. I don't know if you will see as we travel, kung merong, sa bahay natin, we have our own bedroom. We have our sala, we have our dining room, we have our banyo. Yes? Sila, ang banyo nila, diretso sa ilog. So that mere factor makes the river already dirty. So maliligo ka ba?
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, there's another bridge. We are in Quiapo. This is the Quiapo Bridge or the Quezon Bridge named after Manuel Quezon, President Manuel Quezon, whose birthday we are celebrating today, kaya wala kayong pasok sa Quezon City. Sino ang gumawa ng Eiffel Tower sa Paris?
Ako.
Mr. Gustave Eiffel. Okay? Mr. Eiffel din ang gumawa ng Quezon Bridge. Okay, look at the right side. Maraming puno. There are about 120 species of trees. This is the Arroceros Forest Park. Arroceros comes from the Spanish word arroz. Ano ibig sabihin ng arroz? Anybody? No? Rice or bigas. So this area, during the Spanish times, kumakain ka ng arroz canton. Diba? Arroz is rice. During the Spanish times, dito ang trading area ng bigas.
Ano yun?
Okay, may I have your attention, please? Everybody, please sit down. Okay, we will be entering San Miguel area. Okay? Sa San Miguel area is the most famous place in Manila, Malacanang. It is a security area also. Pumapara tayo sandali, we will be boarding either a presidential security guard or a coast guard, both for our own security and because of the area. Now, boys, please listen. Malacanang has two rules which we have to follow. Good afternoon, Mr. Coast Guard.
Afternoon.
Okay, we have two rules to follow. Boys, listen.
Talon.
We have two rules to follow. One is remain seated. Ano sa Tagalog? Manatiling nakaupo. Maliwanag?
Yes.
Rule number 2. no picture taking. Kahit cellphone man lang yan. Okay. All along the way, may mga security cameras. So nakikita tayo.